Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Apple AirTag and some AirTag accessories. Now you can pick this up from Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price for the AirTag is $30. Now if you want a 4-pack, that's going to run you $100. My advice would be go with the 4-pack, save $20. Alright, so I'm going to make this video quick as possible. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love
White shoes.
my white shoes.
Calm down. Alright, what is an AirTag? Simple. This is a device used to track items from your iPhone. Just that simple. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this, and I'll show you how it works. Let's see, on the bottom, got a little pull tag. Rah. Okay, here we go. Now, did that do anything? Let's see. Yep. Okay. Apple AirTag. Okay, so inside, of course, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Quick start guide. And this is going to be your AirTag. Now, it does have a it does have a battery that you can change. The battery lasts for 1 year. All right, so here's your AirTag. As I said earlier, the battery is already installed. It is removable. Little plastic on the outside. Simple enough. Now you're going to grab an iPhone. Once you open it up, you pair it to your iPhone just like this. Now I got to do a quick update, so let's go ahead and do that update. All right, so now that everything is set up, let me show you how it works. Now say I put the AirTag on my car keys. I'm going to call this Flossy's keys. Now if I lose my keys, all I got to do is open up my iPhone, go to the Find My app. It's going to show my keys location on the map. Now I can zoom in all the way to the direct address. Next, I can play a sound. I can locate the keys using the sound. I can also get step-by-step directions. And one of the best features is lost mode. Now let me show you how that works. Say I lose my keys and I just can't find them. I'm going to go to lost mode. We'll hit enable. Let me put in the number that I can be reached at, 718-555-5555. Hit next and hit activate. Simple enough. Now say you happen to be walking down the street and you find my car keys with an AirTag attached to it. This is all you got to do. So now you're going to open up your iPhone. This works on Android and iOS. I'm going to show you how we'll do it on iPhone first. All right, so you're going to go to the Find My app. We're going to go to, let me set this up correctly, identify, found item. We're going to scan it, open it up, and look at this. Bang, it pops up. So if you want to be a good Samaritan and you find somebody's keys with an AirTag or a bag or a bike, all you have to do is scan it. That person's number will come up. You can contact them and give them back their item. Now, say you got an Android phone. This is how it works also. Okay, I'm going to pull up my Android phone. Hit the NFC tag. Bang, same thing. Lost mode is a go. All right, this is pretty sick. So, AirTag, simple enough. $30 on this one. Locate your items. Now, let me show you some quick accessories. All right, so the first accessory we got is the Spigen Valentina's case. Now, this one is going to run you $25. This is the one I'm using right now. This is pretty simple also. Okay. Here's how it looks. Okay. Now, this has a little clip that opens up like this. So you can put it on your keychain, put it on your bag, put it around your pet's collar. Has a little snap. You're going to open this up, take out this little foam insert, grab your AirTag, slap it right in, and there it is. This is leather, has a little Spigen branding. Like I said, this is the one I use on my car keys right now. All right, so this is the Spigen Valentina's clip. Let's keep it moving. All right, so we got one more accessory. We got the Apple leather loop. Now this one is going to run you $40. It comes in 6 different colors. You got product red, saddle brown, white, navy, electric orange, and sunflower. Okay, so let's check this one out. Now, of course, the Apple products going to be a little bit overpriced, but it's Apple, right? This one is product red. Okay, little snap right here. You're going to drop your AirTag in, snap it into place. Now, if you want to put this on your bag, you can put it around your bag handle, lock it into place just like that. Okay? Genuine leather. Let's do the smell test on this real quick. Smells overpriced, but again, if you want Apple, you're going to have to pay. Save some money. Get to speak in Valentina's. Serves the same purpose. Anyway, this is the Apple AirTags for $30. If you got an iPhone, this is a mandatory item to get. Keep track of your stuff. Now, I know somebody's going to ask the main question, what's better, the Samsung Smart Tag or the Apple AirTag? And of course, as usual, Samsung did it better. And let me show you why. Now, Samsung Smart Tag serves the same purpose, track your items. But let me show you the difference. I'm going to pull out an iPhone real quick. All right, now, why do I like the Samsung Smart Tag better than the Apple AirTag? Let me show you why. Now, I got a Samsung Smart Tag and an Apple AirTag on the same car keys. Say I lose my keys, the first thing that I like better about the Smart Tag is the volume. If you lose your keys and you want that audible alert to be loud, it's definitely louder on the Samsung. Here's the iPhone. Okay, this is the Smart Tag alert. Once it connects, all right, there it is. Now here's the Samsung Smart Tag. It's much louder. You're going to find your keys easier. Now, there's two more reasons why I like the Smart Tag better. Next up, you have an actual button. Why is this important? You can pair this up to other Samsung devices. So when I come in the house, if I want to turn on my Samsung TV, I press the button, turn on my TV. If I want to turn on my Samsung air conditioner, turn it on. When I turn on my lights, turn it on just like that. Now, the biggest feature that I like about the Samsung Smart Tag, better than the AirTag, is reverse tracking. Now, say I happen to lose my keys, I can use the Smart Tag or the AirTag to track the keys. But what if I lose my phone? Check this out. Press the Smart Tag twice. Now I can locate my phone. Now, to me, that feature alone is killer because most of the time I don't lose my car keys, I can't find my phone. So my phone drops out of my pocket in the car. All I gotta do, hit the button twice, find the phone. So personally, I like the Smart Tag a little bit better, but if you got an iPhone, go with the AirTag. For $30, you can't lose. Anyway, Apple AirTags, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and pitch and be roll. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. the beach by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.